This video I am going to explain the sex determination in baby. I mean, after fertilization, what happens? The sex of the baby is going to be decided over here. So the sex of the baby, what we are learning now itself, right? Sex of baby. So how it is being determined in the young ones that we are learning. Already you know the chromosomal constitution of male as well as female itself, right? So let us write it now. So 44 number of autosomes will be there, plus X and Y are the allosomes or the sex chromosomes will be there. So these are called as autosomes and these are called as allosomes. And this is male. This is the male parent, what I can say. And the next one, so and the female parent, 44 number of autosomes will be there, and XX or the allosomes will be there, or the sex chromosomes will be there here. So this is the chromosomal constitution of female itself, female parent itself, right? So remember, so during gametogenesis, what happens over here? So the meiotic division that occurs over here. Totally, how many number of chromosomes are there in human being? It is 46 number of chromosomes are there in human being, both in male as well as female. 46, how it is? Out of which 44 are autosomes and 1 X, 1 Y. So these are two allosomes or the sex chromosomes. 44 plus 2 is 46. In the same way, 44 plus XX itself is 46. So totally 46 number of chromosomes are there in male parent as well as female parent. And now during gametogenesis or gamete formation, the meiotic division occurs. Already have mentioned, right? So meiotic division, whenever meiosis occurs, so this male parent is going to form here the sperms. How the sperms so are formed over here, let us see. 22 number of autosomes will be there and plus X. This X I have taken over here. This is one gamete or the sperm which is produced from the male parent, and simultaneously so 22 autosomes plus Y. This is one more type of the sperm which is produced. There are two types of sperms are produced over here. One sperm that contains X as the allosome and another sperm that contains Y as allosome, and this kind of sperms are called as gymnosperms. These are called as gymnosperms. This is called as androsperm. Androsperm, right? So there are two types of sperms are produced by the male. What about this female? You can imagine yourselves. So in female, 22A plus X and 22A plus X. So these are the same type of what are produced over here. Egg cell or ovum is produced over here, and there is no differentiation at all in between the egg cell itself. Suppose fertilization take place. How the fertilization take place? This sperm may fertilize or fuse with this egg cell, or else this sperm may fertilize this egg cell or this egg cell, whatever it may be. There is no difference at all, right? So what happens over here, which is going to determine the sex of the baby? Let us see here. See here, if this sperm fertilizes this egg cell, right? Fertilizes this egg cell, means fusion of this gymnosperm with the egg cell. Whenever it take place, what would be the sex of the individual? You imagine yourself. 22A plus 22A, so totally 44AA plus X is here and X is here. That's why EX. Then this baby itself is female baby. Female baby. Suppose this sperm fertilizes this egg cell or this egg cell, whatever you may take over here. So in both are similar over here, that's why I shall take this one. So then what happens? 22a as well as 22a, it is 44AA plus XY it becomes. XY it becomes. Then this is male baby, right? So which is going to determine the sex of the individual itself is androsperms. If they fertilize any one type of what egg cell, any egg cell, then that determines the what sex of the individual. Whether sperm with X fertilizes the egg cell, whether the sperm with Y allosome fertilizes the egg cell, it determines the sex of the baby. Whether the baby is male or it is female, it is been decided like this. So this is how the sex determination that occurs in case of the baby itself, right, after fertilization. So this is based on the chromosomal pattern itself. So what I have written over here, all are chromosomal patterns itself, right? So I hope you have understood this one very clearly. Thank you very much.